I'm gonna do that. So and I'm gonna make it look. They did them with EMB motors, so they got stacks. I'll do those too.
Then it's not a all matching, but it's still an ABA.
Yeah. I like it. It's so
I'm gonna wait until it makes one full revolution around the course before. Well, Ken, you throw a good campfire for sure. Okay, here's the train coming out of the tunnel. Here it goes. I hear the train a-coming. It's rolling around the bend.
Who's at the next microphone? You! Okay, we got that covered. Alright, how about Mr. Famous over here, Sue Line?
I thought it was Mr. Fabulous.
Bob Required.
How about
Butch, did you get drone footage for us? Where's Butch at?
No, you sit at the spray booth.
Butch, did you get any
know the door over there's gonna let the bus in.
Refer to the people that
traction during the podcast.
Do you have drone footage?
I don't believe it.
Did I take off your
Yeah, he downloaded them fair and square off the internet.
Because I'll bring it up and talk about the fact that Butch Heiler had a drone here tonight.
You may go get
All
right, I plugged this in the last one that was open. Double check and make sure it's on.
It's off.
Okay, turn this one on.
It is. Give me some
Is it
sound,
on?
George.
How about now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, you're talking too close. Let me turn it down. Daniel,
All
talk.
right.
Talk.
I am right here.
Okay, give me some talk.
All
George.
right, how about this?
We need to raise it up.
We need to raise it up.
And put it about 2 inches from your face, that screen.
Okay.
Just raise it. Where's the chair at? How high does it
Well,
need
that's
to be?
what I'm trying to put over here.
If that doesn't help promote the hobby, I don't know what will.
Right? Yep. We're gonna.
I'm checking while
I don't have any idea.
So you guys can talk back and forth.
That's that direction.
Can I share? All right, come. Jeff, you coming with me? Jeff, coming with me?
Which one am I sharing? Am
I sharing this one?
Yeah.
Ted, by the way. I know we met before.
Good, yeah. What was that? Was that Sam Denny? We turned him up, right? When you guys use that Rode mic there, it's pretty hot. We've got to turn down a little bit. But just make sure it's pointing at you, and you're close to it. Get to that screen like one bar. Who's next?
Check.
That was you, Ed Dressel. Dude, I wasn't right.
But on the same
I think
token,
we're
whenever
okay.
you guys touch this older microphone,
It's going fast enough.
Yeah, there you go.
Depends on how big the smoke is.
Now, Dave Davis, I know you were very impressed with the show today, and you were eager to talk about it, and we're going to have Daniel do that too. Go ahead, Dave. Shake it. Where's Daniel at?
You know,
We got Daniel Coombs on tonight too, guys.
Yes.
I helped co-found this show in the very
Not that
beginning.
old, but he's younger, and he's talking to guys that modeled stuff in the 50s, and he's interested in that. Now, if that's somebody that's not dedicated,
Right.
and it shows up today, and then you get Daniel Goldberg, the absolute art of font,
Yeah.
okay, and accurate material. If you wanted an Illinois Central decal, you got it with everything on that car that ever was on that car.
Yeah.
So it's just a great thing, and I'm going to shut up.
There we go, rock and roll. I'm going to look for this on eBay You can type in the words "what's neat" to find it. What was the description we typed? You typed it all.
Yes, if you just search on eBay for what's neat, it'll come up right away. It was the first thing that came up if you can.
Perfect.
It'll be easy to find, and hopefully everybody will be interested.
Now, why is he selling one of his most beautiful
That's
works?
I can't believe he partnered with this thing.
I know, how about that?
So
the fact
what's
is,
the
what he
reason?
wanted to do is after he saw the George Celios and all the other wonderful donations that we've had with freight cars. Remember the George Celios AccuRail boxcar that sold for right around $1,001? $1,000, right?
Amazing.
What he wants to do is he wants to donate the proceeds to this, just like George Celios did with his boxcar, to the Colorado Model Railroad Museum to help them with their ongoing expansion plans that are right now in the works. And we can't really talk about that, but the fact is they're working on it, and it's going to come to fruition. And these are the little increment bits and chunks that we're going to try to help them with. I look forward to seeing what the sales are. How was the show for you, man? Tell me, brother. You built a brand new vehicle. I don't know if I shot B-roll of it, but it's probably here tonight, so I will.
Yeah, I can always bring it in.
Steve, tell me what this gorgeous model is we're looking at right now.
Well, the high rail truck is a 7.6 Chevy. It's 1/25th scale.
Oh, that's his truck. Okay.
Everything as far as the high rail system, most of the details, the bed are all scratch built.
What about the toolbox?
The toolbox is a resin casting, but I cut it apart so I can make the lids open. It's full of tools, everything appropriate for what a track gang would be hauling around in the back. Yes, the beacon is out of yellow plastic and then a piece of aluminum tubing. Guitar wire for the antennas, that type of thing. So the wheels are scratch built, and then each of the lug nuts is a main casting that I cut off and put in place.
What?
Yeah. The high rail functions, you can make it go up and down. So hopefully somebody will appreciate it, and hopefully it'll sell well and do something for the
That's a
museum.
mantelpiece.
That's going to hurt a lot of feelings when that goes.
Yeah, hopefully there's some interest, and that somebody will get it, that'll appreciate it, and that'll do something for the museum. You know,
Maybe
I'm not selling for
display
me.
it in the
It's
museum.
for that cause.
Steve, you also had another new model that you just built. Every year for the prototype models meet in St. Louis, you have a brand new model that you built for the show.
I try to do.
What'd you bring this year?
This year I brought a '53 GMC Cannonball. It was the truck that was the kind of the yard goat for the Frisco and the Springfield yard. Most of the time it pulled a dedicated trailer that was just hauling pieces, usually wheels, from the car shop over to the wheel shop to be worked on and then brought back. And it just, for the most part, it had been originally a road tractor, but it was eventually it just got dedicated to the yard. Yeah, sentenced to the yard. Led a pretty hard life there, I'm pretty sure, but it was an interesting piece, and you know, it was kind of my taste, and I think everybody enjoyed it. So it's almost everything on it scratch built. The trailer completely. It's got machine steel wheels on the trailer for the load. The wheel rack on the trailer is scratch built out of brass, and then nobody could really see it, but there's a scratch built motor inside it and transmission and all that. So there's most of it you can't see, but it would have been there. So
Can you take that apart for B-roll, or is it sealed?
I can send Ken the pictures. How's that?
Quickly, I'm going to get this off on rolling.
Yeah, it would be really nice to
Like life.
downtown St. Louis here in a minute now.
Right.
Something else.
Oh, yeah.
excuse me.
My phone's always dead. I left my charger in the building last night. I shattered it as we were getting in the car to drive today. No, on the way here 3 days ago.
My charger's in the car.